Okay, you ready for the top 10 list? This is my list of the top 10 beginner line dance steps. This is not all the line dance steps. There are probably some other steps that are considered beginners, but as I think about the dances that we do that are beginner dances, these are the basic steps that I think are good to start out with. So there are 10 basic steps that we're going to talk about today. The first one is probably the most common, and it's a shuffle. What I call a shuffle. Now, people call them different things in line dance. Some people call it a triple step. Some people say chassé. There's not a hard and fast rule, but I generally say shuffle. So we're going to do some shuffles, and I want you to, this is going to be your homework. As you go through your day, I don't want you to walk anymore. I want you to shuffle. Maybe just in your house. You might look kind of weird outside. But anyway, we're going to shuffle. And at the segment before, when we talked about syncopation, I showed you a series of shuffles, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to start with a weight on the left foot, and we're going to do 8 counts of shuffle. So we're going to start with the right. It's going to be right, left, right. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now your weight is on your right foot, so it makes sense that the next thing we're going to do is shuffle left. Left, right, left. Then we're going to go to the right. Right, left, left, left. And those are syncopated because they're faster than just walking. So with the count, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. What I tell people in my classes and workshops is you need to just shuffle around your house, put music on. You need to have music on all the time. If you want to learn to line dance, you need to listen to music all the time. It can be country music, it doesn't matter. You can dance to anything, probably not like jazz or thrash metal or something like that, but as long as it's got like a consistent beat, you can dance to it. But I want you to start shuffling around and train your brain to hear the beat and the music. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Those are syncopated steps. And it's a triple because it's 1 and 2. It's 3. We actually did 3 steps in 2 counts of music. Hope that makes sense. If not, you can email me, dancingwithpatty@yahoo.com. Okay, so that was your first step, a shuffle. The next step we're going to look at is a vine. If you've done the electric slide at a wedding, you have done a vine. So that is a 4 count move. Our weight, we're going to start out with a vine to the right, so our weight is on our left foot. It's 4 counts. We're going to step out with the right, bring the left behind, and you're stepping on it. You're taking weight on the left. Now we're going to step out to the right, and we're either going to touch or step. So we might touch or we might step. Let me talk about that for just a second. The difference between a touch and a step is really important because it'll change where your weight is. And you remember from the last segment, where your weight is really, really important. I'll show you a touch means you don't take any weight on that foot. So if we step, touch, my weight's on my right, and so my next foot that's going to move is my left. You can also step, and now that puts my weight on my left foot, so my right foot's ready to go. Let's do a vine with a touch. So it's out, behind, out, and touch. Now I'm ready to go to the left because my weight is on my right foot. We probably, especially if you're doing an electric slide, you're going to do a vine to the left. Out, behind, out, and touch. So that's a vine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go the other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's a vine is a 4 count move. Out, behind, out, and touch. Usually, it's possible to have to step there. All right. Step number 3 is a kickball change. And that is a syncopated move as well. Remember, it's faster. It's three steps in 2 counts of music. A kickball change, kick, ball, change. I want you to think about those 3 words because we're going to start out with a kick, kick. Now we're going to take our weight on the ball of our right foot, ball, weight's on our right foot, and now to change we just put our weight on our left foot. So it's kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. A lot of times when I teach it, I just say kick, step, step, kick, step, step. From the side, weight's on the left, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Now let's do we can do the other side. Your weight's on your right foot. We're going to do a left kick ball change. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. From the side, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Here's from the front. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Let me do a few with the count. Ready, go. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kickball change. Okay. The next step is a jazz box. And when we do it, it does not look like a box at all, which may be a little confusing, but it's a 4 count move. We're going to do a right jazz box right now, and I would say that the majority of line dances, your jazz boxes start with your right foot. Not always, but I would say the majority. Weight is on the left. We're going to take our right foot and cross it over on 1. So that's 1. We're going to step back with the left on 2. Step back for 2. We're going to step to the side for 3. 3. And again, we can either touch or step on 4. So with the count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I did step. So I took my weight. Let's do it with the touch. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not take weight on that foot. My weight's still on my right. So a jazz box is you cross over, step back, step to the side, and together, whether it's a touch or a step. 4 counts. Let me do it from the front. Ready, go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts. Jazz box. Okay, the next thing is this is a real simple move, but it's in a lot of dances. It's called rock, recover. And if you think about those 2 words, that's exactly what you're doing. Start with your weight on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with the right. Rock. Now your weight's on your right foot. The second part of the move is to just recover, and our weight goes to our left. Recover. Rock. Recover. It's a 2 count move. Rock. Recover. You can do it on the left. Rock. Recover. Rock. Recover. Okay, now you can do it back. Weight's on the left, we're going to rock back. Rock, recover. Rock, recover. Guess what? You can do it to the side as well. Rock, recover. Rock, recover. So you're just rocking to the side, rocking to the front, rocking to the back, and then recovering on the other foot. Let's do it to the left. Rock, recover. 1, 2. A 2 count move called rock, recover, and that's in a lot of dances.